Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, I will tell you a story about friendship. A true friend is not just someone who laughs with you. A true friend stays even in your hardest time. This story is called My Best Friend. Let's begin. My name is Mia. I want to tell you about my best friend. Her name is Anna. We met at school. On the first day, I was shy. I sat alone. Then she came to me. "Can I sit here?" she asked. I smiled a little. "Yes," I said. That was the beginning. We became close very fast. We studied together. We ate lunch together. We laughed every day. She made my life brighter. One day, something bad happened. My father lost his job. Life became difficult. At home, everything changed. My parents were worried. They argued sometimes. I felt scared. At school, I could not focus. Anna noticed. "What's wrong?" she asked. I said nothing. "I'm fine," I said. But she knew. One day she sat next to me. "You don't have to hide," she said. Her voice was soft. I started to cry. I told her everything. About my family, about my fear. She listened. She did not interrupt. When I finished, she held my hand. "You are not alone," she said. Those words meant everything. Days passed. She stayed with me. Every day. When I had no lunch, she shared hers. When I felt sad, she made me smile. When I wanted to give up, she said, "Keep going." One day I said to her, "Why are you so kind to me?" She smiled. "Because you are my friend," she said. It sounded simple, but it was powerful. Months later, life became better again. My father found a new job. Our home felt peaceful again. But I never forgot those days. The days when I was weak, and she stayed. One afternoon, we sat together in the park. "Anna," I said, "thank you for everything." She looked at me. "You would do the same," she said. I smiled. "Yes," I said. Because that is what true friends do. They stay. Not only in happy times, but also in dark times. My name is Mia. And Anna is my best friend. Thank you for listening. Do you have a best friend like Anna? A true friend listens. A true friend stays. A true friend cares. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.